guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go get my hair trimmed. These are just my sisters. One was going to another salon, the other one followed me. We used the same bike, so this was us on our way to the salon. So yeah, my intention is to go get my hair trimmed because it's been a while. I trimmed my hair. Lately I've been seeing a lot of split ends, so I just wanted to take a few inches off. So when we got there, the lady changed the address. So she had to come pick us up. She was kind enough to drive and come pick us up. So this was us walking into her salon. I'm currently based in Benue State, which is my state of origin, and it's kind of difficult to come across all these natural hair salons. But while I was in Abuja, it was so easy to find them. But back then, I was always procrastinating, so I ended up trimming my hair myself when I was doing my NYC service. The lady in charge said they have been around for 7 years. In fact, I literally had to post on my WhatsApp status for someone to direct me here, and I was just so happy that I ended up finding a salon that works for me. She was so gentle with my hair. We first detangled. She sprayed water and then she detangled my hair and put it in twist. Like, she really took her time. She detangled it gently. It didn't even feel like someone was touching my hair because she was really gentle. I mean it. And their customer service impeccable. They were really good. And she replied my messages really fast. Anybody that keeps natural hair knows that it's way easier to wash your hair in twist. Like, it just makes things very easy. You're able to get down to your scalp very well. Initially, when I was leaving home, I was contemplating whether I should take my products with me so they don't have to use theirs, because it's possible that if you go to a salon, you might not end up liking the brand of product that they're using. But I told myself I'm paying for the services, so it should come with everything. So why should I do that? Another thing that bothered me that I did not end up taking them with me was, what if they just use too much? Because in this economy, like, things are really expensive, and I cannot afford to be using products like, say, I drink water. So that was why I decided to leave everything home. So the lady washed my hair thoroughly with deep condition. They went ahead to blow it out. I really like the blow dryer that she used, and I'm thinking of getting it because she was able to get down to my roots like really well. And whenever I'm blow drying my hair, I do it myself all the time. Whenever I'm blow drying my hair, like, it's really difficult to get to my roots. But with the type of blow dryer that she used, it's quite easy. So I really love their services. Also, my sister washed her hair and also did cornrows. Since she's also someone that keeps natural hair, she understands these things a lot. She knows what happens if somebody pulls too much at your hair. And this is the highlight of getting your hair done at a natural hair salon, because these people know the experience. They know what it feels like. So they're usually very gentle and they're very considerate when they're handling your hair. And for the first time in almost 7 years of keeping natural hair, I decided to measure the length of my hair yesterday. We used the measuring tape and my hair was almost at 15 inches. That was what she said. So definitely 14.5 inches thereabouts. And she also put oil on my scalp and massaged my scalp. Like, it felt really good, because my scalp can get really painful sometimes. So I was really grateful that she did that. And the whole time she was treating my hair, we're just talking generally, just talking everything that happens within the natural hair community, and what she does to her hair that works for her. I was also telling her that I'm a content creator, showing her my page and the type of videos that I make, and we just had a really nice and wonderful conversation the whole time. Another highlight of going to a natural hair salon is the fact that they don't complain how much hair you have on your head. Because when I go to these normal salons, they'd be like, oh, you have so much hair, why don't you relax it? Like, they complain before they get the work done. So the fact that when I went to her and I didn't even hear that, because she's used to this, she's used to seeing people, and she understands that people have different textures, people have different kinds of hair. She didn't complain. So for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna let you guys watch everything for yourself. got to the end of our trimming and my hair started shrinking back like immediately. Natural hair is so funny, but I want you to know that shrinkage is a sign of healthy hair. That is just it. So you shouldn't be angry about your shrinkage. It's just a sign that your hair is really, really healthy. So we left the shop and we went straight to Chicken Republic. Like I was famished. I needed to eat something. We just got rice, chicken, coke. I also got some ice cream because I was really craving ice cream. And on my way home, I stopped at the market. I got some mangoes. I don't know my obsession with mango lately, but every time I pass around the market and I see mango, I must stop and buy. But it's mango season, so why not? So when I got home, I immediately used bands to hold my hair so it doesn't shrink back. And this was me just enjoying my rice. Thank you all for staying till the end of my video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.